Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix being stuck on the loading screen in Battlefield 6. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, while you are playing the game, you might be stuck on the first loading screen that you can't get out, or the game would still be in beta so it still needs compilation. So, to solve that, all you have to do is click on Ctrl Alt Delete to open your task manager from the screen. And then from here, once you do that, you'll search for the game Battlefield 6, and then you can either expand or click on end task. Now, that issue can be solved from time to time, but mostly the servers are still weak. So all you have to do, if that doesn't work and you restart the game, simply restart Steam again, and then from there try again and also join, because the servers might be down, so it might be just the capacity issues and you can go in there by trying more and more. But that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.